Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to easily delete Google Assistant search history and activities in Android. Deleting search history remove it from Google account and not just for specific device. Therefore deleting any history, delete it from all device. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open Google Chrome. Click address bar. Then type myactivity.google.com. Click search. You must be logged into your Gmail account. If you are not logged into your Gmail account, please log in. Then click filter by date and product. Choose delete activity. Select how many days of data you want to delete. Then select Assistant option. Click Apply. Here you will see all your history and activities. Click on Delete Result to delete all at once. Then click Delete. You can see all your history and activities has been deleted. Click OK. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.